Hello friends, welcome to Crochet's Diaries. Today we are going to make a pop-up card for Mother's Day. So we require a white chart paper and a red chart paper. You can use different colors also. Now let's check the measurements. The measurement of the white chart paper, the length will be 14 cm and the height will be 18 cm. And for the colored chart paper, it will be 1 cm less. So the length will be 13 cm and the height will be 17 cm. So now let's get started. The white paper will be on top and the red will be inside. So now let's trace a tree design here. You can first do it with a pencil and then go with sketch pens, or else if you are comfortable doing it, you can directly start with sketch pens. So I have traced the design with pencil first and then I have started doing it with the sketch pen. I am using a brown sketch pen first to draw the design, and then I will be doing this using the black sketch pen as well. So the best part about this card is this is made using mostly plants and leaves, and this gives a motherly touch. And also we have used some kitchen ingredients such as bay leaves, curry leaves. So after some years or even after few days, when you look at this card, the leaves and flowers, the petals will be dried and this will look more beautiful. As we used to do in our childhood, we used to keep some flowers in our books, and years later when we opened it, it was a memory for us. So this is made with the same concept. Now with the black sketch pen, I am giving the borders. So this is how it looks after the border work is done. Now I am taking some leaves and some petals. I require hardly 5 to 6 petals of rose and the leaves. I have taken this tulip leaves and now we'll start pasting it using a Fevicol. I hope you can see it. Let's start pasting the leaves one by one. Apply gum only to half of the leaf so that this will give a 3D look and the leaves will completely not be sticked to the card. See, in this manner. Okay, so now this is how it looks, and as we have sticked, you can see the leaves are also open, half open and half sticked. So this gives a 3D look. So now let's take a rose petal and cut it into half. You can tear it by hands. Now tear it into more half. Okay, so this gives a triangular shape and the pointed part you can stick it. So this is how it looks after all the petals are sticked. So now let's start writing a quote. So let's start writing a quote. The quote is, "Your belief helps me grow." And now we'll write mother below in a different font, and the border we'll give it with red color or any different color. Red looks good. The belief, we have changed the spelling to BELEAF, and the leaf part, let's write it with green color. And here I am giving a border to the word mother, and this will be in pencil only because I am looking for a lighter shade. So now with the red chart paper, measure 6 cm from bottom and mark at 3 cm each and draw lines. Okay, this is done. Now we'll take a scissor and we'll cut only the horizontal lines. Okay, see, and now fold it inwards. And with the help of the vertical line, press it well, and see, this gives us a pop-up shape. Now I had this cardboard and I like the design, so I'm using it here. If you have any other design paper, you can stick it. And now see, this is the look. Okay, now let's trace some leaves and branches here. Though we will be sticking, but still let's give it a background look. The leaves I'm making, and along with the branches also. Now let's make some flowers. Okay, so you can fill it anywhere you want. Okay, now let's take a bay leaf, as it is for our mom. So this is something which comes out from the kitchen. So I'm cutting it in a actual leaf shape. So this is how we cut it. Okay, cut it in a V shape, and this gives us a beautiful leaf structure. So now we need to paste it, but before that let's paste these rose petals here. Okay, so we have pasted it. Okay, so now let's take some leaves and paste it behind the brown cardboard. See the brown part? Let's paste it behind so that it will pop up well and will give a garden view. And this one at the right corner, okay, on the brown space only. So even this is another branch I'm taking. This is from the rose itself. Okay, so I'm pasting. Please note, I'm pasting everything on the brown paper. Okay, so this was a curry leaf branch. Okay, so now we are done. Next, let us take a white paper and punch some flowers using this. If you don't have this, you can cut it also. Now let's take 3 flowers each and stick it on the borders. See, this is how a lovely garden looks. Now it's time for the quote. So let's write Happy Mother's Day here, because this is what we want to wish our moms. Now it's the quote time. The quote I'm using here is, "You made my life bloom," as it is a garden theme. So this quote goes perfect with this. Now I'll give some highlight borders using silver pen. Now this is done, and let's paste both the cards. So this is how it looks. Our card is ready. Garden card. So now time for final look of the card. So happy Mother's Day. Make this card and wish your mom. If you stay with her in this lockdown, then give it to her. If you are far away from her, then don't worry, make it. And after lockdown, once you meet your mom, do surely give it. The best thing about this card is that this looks more beautiful when it dries up. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.